Kicking things off here with the affiliate dashboard. So this is where your affiliate partners are going to be able to share, get their link out there anywhere that they have access to online. We will, of course, track anyone who clicks through their link, ends up on your website, and then figure out how you owe them money and how much you're going to compensate them, so on and so forth. Things that you decide on your end. We're just a means that lets you kind of track all of this stuff. So front and center, what your partners have access to is a unique referral link. This is the classic affiliate link, which folks can copy and paste and post anywhere that they have access to online. So that could be a blog, a website, social media channel, email, newsletter. Your partners get credit for anyone who clicks that link and ends up on your website. A couple nice things about Lead Dino powered affiliate links. One is that they are direct links to your website, so that helps you out from an SEO standpoint. Actually can help you out potentially big time, is that folks who click through the link and end up on your site. Good user experience. They click and boom, they're on your website. And then from an SEO standpoint, these are all inbound links, so Google's going to keep racking up positive SEO karma for you on that front as well. People without websites, blogs to post to, that's why we've got all these social media shortcuts. Of course, everyone has social media these days, growing more and more important in terms of the influencer, micro-influencer movement, whatever you want to call it. The key here is that it is simple as clicking a button. Affiliates, being busy people like you and I, got to make things easy for them. So that's what we're doing here. For example, let's say I'm an affiliate of yours. All I need to do is hit the Facebook button. It logs me into my account. It tees up a post, which the affiliate manager on your end is going to write. So we'll take you through that in a moment. With one more click, I've got this post out there. My Facebook followers and friends will see this come through their feeds. They see it come through from me, so trusted source. And then as they're clicking through or tapping through, I'm getting credit for those referrals. Same idea on Twitter, so easy enough. Hit that tweet button that will log us in. It tees up a tweet. Same idea with an additional click. Then I can get this out to the Twitter sphere. My Twitter followers will see this come through their tweet streams, and as they click through, tap through, I get credit for that tweet. What else do we got? Progress updated in real time. So the number of visitors, signups, purchases that each affiliate has credit for, that is listed here. Commissions also in real time down below, so they can see how they're doing, what's upcoming. So if you want to delay things so you're not paying out before a potential refund period is over, you can do that. We'll still show the commission as upcoming. And then once the sale clears that refund period, we will move it over to a paid commission for your affiliate. What should you pay? So we've got some ideas for you. Every business is different, so and it's a conversation I'm happy to have with you if you want to brainstorm what you should potentially be paying. We did a study, this was last year, looking at our affiliate network, looked at the top 10 programs in each category, so the ones that either, if you don't want to emulate, at least have them in mind is a good thing to do. I'll post this in the chat window for those of you who want some ideas in terms of what others in your industry are paying. If you want to tap our own affiliate network and see what others look like, the search capability is free. I'll take you into this in a moment from a merchant standpoint, but ecommerceaffiliates.com will get you there. You can search affiliate programs in your category. Always good to see what your competitors are doing. Things that they've got in here might be working for them, so things you might want to key into. Couple more things on the dashboard here, and then we'll move into Lead Dino itself. Our marketing materials section has things such as banner ads, infographics. You can copy and paste the HTML here and post it to your website, and again, you get credit for anyone who clicks through here, and or your affiliates will get credit for anyone who clicks through here and ends up on your website. Our newsletter tab also has some nice archives in here, so you can click the newsletter tab and get in and kind of get caught up on things that are new. These newsletters also land directly in your affiliate's email inbox, of course, so nice ways to engage them. Let them know that you care by getting this newsletter out in front of them. All right, let's transition to Lead Dino. Let me also mention our mobile apps available for both Android and for iPhone devices. The way that our mobile apps work is that you can download them to your Android device or to your iPhone, and you will input, your affiliate will input their email address. We will recognize them as a member of your affiliate program and get you get them hooked up with credit for anyone who clicked through there and ended up on your website. So this is especially great for posting on platforms such as Instagram is useful, WhatsApp, text message sharing, things that are available only from your smartphone. Nice ways that you can get folks hooked up with that mobile type social media sharing. You know how everyone is these days. They're staring at their phone anytime they have downtime. So nice way to help them maybe make a little money while they are doing that. All right, let's go ahead and get over into Lead Dino itself now. So app.leaddino.com will get you there. This is where we're going to go through our content section and then our tools. So these are about halfway down here on the left-hand side. This is where you can customize the affiliate website, write your social media content, so on and so forth. So when we are customizing the affiliate website, you can choose to go with our mobile-friendly version, which you'll probably want to do. Color scheme, get your logo in there. Really, everything throughout can be customized. Settings, header, introduction, instructions, all look and feel, the messaging. You can update HTML directly. So lots of things that you can do within here. We do support custom CSS if you want to further style it to your heart's content. You can do that. Terms of service agreement, if you want to have folks opt in to a terms of service up front, you can do that right here as well. Our Facebook post, the tweet, everything that I showed you. So great ways, again, to really encourage affiliate sharing, get them off to a head start. I found in my experience, most folks like to click and go. So if they can click something, share, get it out there, big advantage, I think, for both of you. So you can write that from within Lead Dino here on the Facebook post, on the tweet, so on and so forth. I do it, of course, you'll want to write it initially, and then I think every month or two. It only takes you a few minutes, but again, I think big advantage in terms of sharing. So the more that you can get this out there, the better. Tools menu. So I showed you the affiliate newsletter from the affiliate side of things. Let me click into the tools menu, show you how you can either write a newsletter from scratch within Lead Dino or get access to some of my own swipe files. So we now have 4 newsletters that I have sent multiple occasions to our affiliates. You can get access to these. You can claim it as your own if you would like. I won't mind at all. I've got the templates right in here so you can sign your name to it, make any edits that you would like. You're also welcome to copy and paste and send these from third-party tools such as HubSpot, such as Aweber, such as MailChimp. We do have direct integrations with those systems as well. Or you can send them out directly from within Lead Dino. We also have some automated emails, and these are also nice for engaging affiliates, and especially near and dear to my heart because we can send these out automatically without folks having to click as they go. For example, when a new affiliate signs up with you, we can send them a welcome email, which contains their affiliate link and the link to their affiliate dashboard. So it's got everything that they need to get up and running here. We can let folks know how they did for the week, so the number of visitors, number of leads, number of purchases that they got credit for. And every time someone gets credit for a new lead, new purchase, we can also send them an individual email if you would like. All right, finally, let's wrap up with affiliate recruitment, and then we'll get into any questions if we have any. So our affiliate invitation email is a nice way to reach out to new customers as these folks buy from you to let them know about your affiliate program. So good way to get a 2-for-1. You got a new customer. We want to see if we can turn that person into a new affiliate for you at the same time. Not much you need to do beyond enabling this email, sign your name to it, and you'll be off and running, and folks are going to get credit for anyone who, again, signs up here. That's going to be in the multi-level side in terms of just reaching out, growing your affiliate program organically. Nice thing to do, nice way to grow it. Then one of the secrets of our success, you can see nothing flashy over the last day or week, 3 over the last day, 20 over the last week, but it adds up over a few years. You look up, you're at 2,349 affiliates. So it goes quick. The key is just get stuff dialed in so that you're recruiting all the time, and then you'll build your program slowly but steadily. We also have our affiliate network. So I showed you the home page here. Moving along, network tab will redirect you over here, and that will bring up a wizard if you do it from within Lead Dino, where you can populate, talk about your product, talk about your affiliate program. That will get you rolling in here. We've got an affiliate directory as well that will get you listed in where we can, again, also similar things, talk about your product, talk about your affiliate program. Let me see if I can get logged in here. Show you what the directory looks like. So 21 different product categories on the left-hand side, your program listed right here, front and center. And then we will also get you going in newsletters if you would like to. So we send these out via email. We also post them to our Facebook page if you would like. So we've got our affiliate newsletters that are going out, and these go out to the affiliates and influencers within each category. And with that, I am happy to turn it over to questions. So go ahead and type in anything that you would like me to review, address, so on and so forth. I will show you our support info in the meantime, phone, email, live chat. We've got one-on-one phone call booking here, so leaddyno.com/support will get you there. The phone, email, live chat, social media info on this page. Live chat's available 7 days a week, so lots of opportunities here. Otherwise, it looks like we are caught up. So if you would like me to work with you on getting into the affiliate network, getting you featured, I can help you with that directly. I can also help you with anything. So Brett@leaddyno.com goes back to me. I can either help you directly or get you set up with the right person to help you if you need technical help, whatever, so on and so forth with your setup. Otherwise, I do thank you for joining. So have a great rest of your Thursday. Everyone have a great weekend ahead, great rest of your summer. I do hope to talk to you soon. So again, keep us posted on your affiliate program launch, and thanks again for joining today.